Yay! Ah, no! Oh, we got sand everywhere. Sandstone. Pretty awesome. Wow. This just goes on and on for a while. Pretty cool.
Once we get to the art garage, maybe
Not sure which way is the best for pictures, going forward or checking out where you just came from. Where she stops, nobody knows. Nobody knows. This is pretty cool. Bring your camera and plenty of film, your video camera. I got an extra battery here if I run out. I hope I don't run out. Wow. Wow. Hope I'm not getting you dizzy. Sheesh. It's pretty awesome here. Nice, man.
ハクちゃん、一人で行かないの。なんか引っかかってるよ、ほら。上見てごらん。ハク。
Hope we're not slowing you up.
No.
It's pretty cool.
Oh, and do this.
You guys get photos?
Pretty good.
Yeah. I like that you can see that.
Yeah, just try Picture time.
Attends, j'ai quand même essayé de tenir, mais il faut plus qu'il fasse le flash, sinon je suis foutue. Moi j'ai plus de batterie non plus là.
Pick it up, she says, pick it up. The tour guide wants us to go a little faster because we're at the end. Okay. Wow, that's cool too. Just through that crack, right? Right through there. Okay. She didn't want me to get too close to the edge, but see, it's right along that. That's what created all that. Pretty awesome. Whew. You got to do this. Lower Antelope Canyon. Well, the little man did it. He sure did. He helped us. And it's just a short little walk back up there for some water, and that's it. Okay? Lower Antelope Canyon, Arizona. You gotta do this once in your life. It's really fun. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.